Astrophotography opens a window to the wonders of the night sky, allowing us to capture celestial beauty in stunning detail. For many, the journey begins with the thrill of photographing the Milky Way, our galaxy's luminous core stretching across the darkness. The anticipation builds as you set up your camera, adjust your settings, and wait for the perfect moment. With each click of the shutter, you're not just taking a picture, you're preserving a glimpse of the universe. The first successful image of the Milky Way is often unforgettable, sparking a sense of awe and curiosity. This experience marks the start of a rewarding adventure, blending technical skill with a deep appreciation for the cosmos. The Milky Way has long captivated photographers and stargazers alike, serving as a breathtaking centerpiece for night sky photography. Its luminous band of stars, dust, and gas stretches across the heavens, offering a dramatic contrast against the dark expanse. The intricate patterns and vibrant colors visible in long-exposure images reveal the galaxy's structure and depth, making each photograph unique. Additionally, the Milky Way's visibility changes with the seasons and location, adding an element of challenge and excitement for those seeking the perfect shot. Its sheer scale and beauty evoke a sense of wonder, inspiring photographers to capture its majesty and share the experience of our place in the universe. To capture stunning images of the Milky Way, having the right equipment is essential. Start with a camera capable of manual settings and good low-light performance, such as a DSLR or mirrorless model. Pair it with a wide-angle lens featuring a large aperture, ideally f2.8 or lower, to allow more light into your shots. A sturdy tripod is crucial for stabilizing your camera during long exposures. Don't forget useful accessories like extra batteries, memory cards, a remote shutter release, and a headlamp with a red light to preserve your night vision. With this gear checklist, you'll be well prepared to photograph the night sky. Selecting the ideal location is crucial for achieving clear and vibrant night sky images. Areas far from city lights tend to offer the darkest skies, which are essential for minimizing light pollution. Light pollution can obscure faint stars and celestial objects, making it difficult to capture their true beauty. National parks, remote countryside, and designated dark sky reserves are often excellent choices. Before heading out, it's helpful to consult light pollution maps to identify promising spots. By prioritizing locations with minimal artificial lighting, you greatly improve your chances of producing stunning astrophotography results. Careful planning is essential when photographing the Milky Way. Several apps and online tools can help you determine the optimal time and position for your shoot. These resources provide detailed information about the Milky Way's movement, visibility, and alignment with the landscape. By inputting your location and desired date, you can see when the core of the Milky Way will be most prominent in the night sky. Some apps also offer augmented reality features, allowing you to visualize the Milky Way's path before you even set up your camera. Using these tools ensures you arrive prepared and maximize your chances of capturing a stunning image. Night photography presents unique challenges that require careful adjustment of your camera settings. ISO determines your camera's sensitivity to light. Higher ISO values help capture brighter images in low light conditions, but may introduce more noise. Aperture controls the amount of light entering the lens, with wider apertures like f2.8, allowing more light and creating a shallow depth of field. Shutter speed affects how long the sensor is exposed to light. Slower shutter speeds are often necessary at night, but they can result in motion blur if the camera or subject moves. To achieve sharp focus, manual focusing is often preferred, as autofocus systems may struggle in darkness. Using a tripod can help stabilize your camera during long exposures, ensuring crisp and clear images. Mastering these settings allows you to capture stunning photographs even in challenging nighttime environments. When photographing the Milky Way, thoughtful composition can transform your image from ordinary to extraordinary. Including interesting foreground elements, such as trees, rock formations, or buildings, adds depth and context to the scene. These features not only guide the viewer's eye, but also create a sense of scale, emphasizing the vastness of the night sky. Experiment with different angles and distances to see how the foreground interacts with the Milky Way's arc. By carefully framing your shot, you can achieve a balanced and visually compelling photograph that tells a unique story. Remember, the foreground should complement the celestial display, enhancing the overall impact of your image. Capturing images in low light conditions can be challenging, often resulting in unwanted noise and grain. To minimize noise, use the lowest ISO setting that still allows for a properly exposed photo. Stabilize your camera with a tripod to enable longer shutter speeds without introducing blur. Consider using a wider aperture to let in more light, which can help maintain image clarity. Avoid relying heavily on digital zoom, as it tends to amplify noise. Additionally, post-processing tools can help reduce noise, but excessive editing may compromise image details. By carefully balancing these techniques, you can achieve cleaner, sharper photos even in dim environments. Begin by setting up your camera on a sturdy tripod to ensure stability during long exposures. Choose a location far from city lights, where the sky is dark and clear. Adjust your camera settings to manual mode, set the aperture wide open, and select a high ISO to capture faint stars. Use a shutter speed between 15 and 30 seconds to balance exposure without causing star trails. Focus your lens to infinity, either manually or using live view on a bright star. Once everything is in place, press the shutter and let your camera record the stunning detail of the Milky Way. Review your image and make small adjustments to settings as needed for the best result. After capturing your Milky Way image, basic post-processing can significantly improve its visual impact. Start by adjusting the exposure and contrast to bring out the stars and the galactic core. Increasing clarity and reducing noise helps reveal finer details while maintaining a natural look. You can also tweak the color balance to emphasize the subtle hues of the Milky Way. Cropping and straightening the image ensures a pleasing composition. These simple editing techniques allow your photograph to better showcase the beauty of the night sky. When capturing night sky photos, several common issues can arise. Blurry stars often result from camera shake or incorrect focus, so using a tripod and ensuring proper focus can help achieve sharper images. Underexposed images may occur if the exposure time is too short or the ISO setting is too low. Adjusting these settings can bring out more detail in your photos. Color balance problems, such as unnatural hues, can be corrected by setting the appropriate white balance for nighttime conditions. Reviewing your camera settings and making small adjustments can significantly improve the quality of your astrophotography. If problems persist, experimenting with different exposure times and ISO levels can help you find the optimal combination for your environment. After capturing your Milky Way photo, sharing your results can be a rewarding experience. Posting your image on social media platforms or dedicated astrophotography forums allows you to connect with others who share your passion. Engaging with the community provides opportunities for feedback, inspiration, and learning new techniques. Many photographers also participate in online challenges or group projects, which can help you grow your skills and gain recognition. By sharing your work, you contribute to a vibrant network of enthusiasts who celebrate the beauty of the night sky together. Astrophotography is a journey of continuous learning and discovery. Each night presents new opportunities to capture the wonders of the universe, whether it's a familiar constellation or an elusive nebula. As you refine your techniques and experiment with different equipment, you'll find your skills steadily improving. Remember, patience and persistence are key to mastering this art. Embrace the challenges and celebrate your progress, no matter how small. The night sky holds endless possibilities, so keep exploring and let your curiosity guide you to new celestial adventures.